Hi everybody, Poppy here. This is a quick little project. You see here I have a nice in-the-house navigating flashlight. I bought it. It was a JBL 4107 green laser. I unscrew this and you see the nice it's on there permanently. It doesn't want to unscrew. Anyway, this globe, it was supposed to be a light bulb, was too small to go on there. So I took my Weller 40-watt plastic welding tool and I reamed it out. And I screwed it on. Yeah. Unscrew the battery. Ah! Okay, it wants to unscrew now. How's that for a fit? And I went in the closet in the bedroom. I closed the door, and it lit it up perfectly. Quick project.